This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Okay, so a couple different things here. You guys can see we have the display set up. Right now it's just mirroring what we do on the first screen. And we can, in this one over here, we can drag our mouse and we can add stuff over here. Couple things. You want to install the software with the USB that they give you. Number two, you then connect your cables from your laptop to the back. You guys can see it right back there. And then go under your display settings and change everything up. So we can drag stuff over onto this screen. Sorry guys, I'm doing this with one hand and not my dominant hand, so bear with me. So we can have stuff over here on this side. We can then have stuff over here on this side, and then the third one over here is mirroring, but we can change that, and you guys can change this however you want under your display settings. So you're going to want to do that under your display settings. And you can play around with that. You can do whatever you see fit, make it. Again, you can take a look at the manual and go from there, but it does work good. The screens are nice. And it worked.